So, a few days ago I bought this iPhone XS Max, one of the most expensive smartphones ever. The most expensive I bought for sure, and also my first iPhone. Right out of the box, this device feels definitely premium, but from the first time I used it, I noticed something strange going on with the Wi-Fi connection. This is a brief of my experience with this problem and how I managed to fix it for now. Welcome to Upgraded Reality. I instantly noticed a poor reception of the Wi-Fi signal with a lot of random disconnections. Sometimes it will reconnect automatically, sometimes it will stay in searching mode, so a manual reconnection will be necessary. Then I tried to run a quick speed test and I saw a strange difference in capability in comparison of my MacBook Pro. Also, some of them failed because of the unstable connection, of course. At this point, I started searching if this was a known issue, and I've found out that indeed I am not the only one in this situation, but apparently right now there's no certain solution. As recommended in case of generic Wi-Fi connection problems, I tried to reset my network settings. Nothing. I tried to disable the Wi-Fi assist. Again, nothing. I updated the firmware of my modem router, and guess what? Nothing. So now what can I possibly do? Apple is well known for the quality of their customer service, plus I paid extra money for the Apple Care, so I called them. In short, they said they already know that there is some issue. They already received reports from other customers and they are collecting diagnostic data to find a solution. So, after a few hours of testing with their technical assistance team, I sent them all the data they need, and that's all. They said they'll call me back. I want to be clear. The people that works at the Apple customer service are great, but I was still extremely disappointed. I can understand that a new product in the first period of time after the launch can have some minor problems, typically software related, but having a smartphone that costs that much with a completely unusable Wi-Fi connection is, for me, unacceptable. A few hours later, after the call, I was back into the configuration page of my modem router trying to find out a solution by myself. After a few more minutes, I came across the band steering function. On the iPhone, as for the MacBook Pro and the iPad, it was enabled. But first of all, what does band steering means? Well, in short, if enabled, dual-band devices will use the less congested and higher capacity 5 GHz band. So I made a simple test. As you can see, I selected the 5 GHz only option and for some reason I haven't been able to connect. I tried many times. Nothing. Now, I am not an expert, but at this point I think that I understand what is going on. When the band steering function is enabled, the iPhone automatically tries to switch from the 2.4 GHz band to the 5 GHz band. Unfortunately, for some reason, it is not able to connect to that specific band, so it disconnects. So how can we fix this annoying problem? Simply disable the band steering function, so this extremely expensive device will finally maintain a stable connection to the 2.4 GHz band. It just works. Also, I tried again some speed tests, and the results are pretty good. Before ending this video, I want to clarify that this is just a temporary fix that may not work for everyone. I want to share it because it's a really simple fix to try, and if it works, it can really change this annoying situation. Let me know in the comment section if it worked for you. If you liked this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone XS Max related videos and even more. Thanks for watching.